What will you do for this country?
We need to get back to the gold standard before all my gold rusts to pieces.
I will take more trips from Alaska to Washington D.C. Heaven only knows how cold it is there.
Change. I won't change a damn thing.
Has anyone seen Bill? I can't find Bill, damn it.
Sounds like you all have amazing potential to lead this country to ruin.
But at least we'll have our gold.
What's gold?
I say we just keep printing our way out of this mess till there is nothing left for our grandchildren.
Bill.
Thank you all and good luck.